to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Final Countdown by the Rail Livingstone. King Patrick on the farther outside. It's still entry number 1, Final Countdown in the lead. It's Final Countdown, Livingstone on the outside. And Sambat moving up. Heading for the backstretch. It is still Final Countdown in the lead. Livingstone running in second. Sambat in third on the outside, and Euromax. And into the backstretch, it is still Final Countdown in the lead, followed now by Sambat in second, and Livingstone, and moving up by the rail is Euromax. And nearing the far turn, it is still Final Countdown in the lead, followed by Euromax by the rail, moving up, and King Patrick. But it's now King Patrick on the outside, Euromax by the rail, and Sambat. Rounding the far turn, it's Euromax in the lead, followed by Sambat on the outside, and King Patrick. So it's you. And rounding the far turn, it's still Euromax and Sambat firing it out for the lead, and King Patrick. So it's you, Enchanted Lady. The last bend for home, Sambat on the outside, Euromax, and King Patrick on the outside. So it's you, Enchanted Lady. The top stretch and nearing the payoff line. It is still Sambat in the lead, followed by Euromax and King Patrick now moving up on the farther outside. Sambat, King Patrick on the outside, and Euromax. So it's you, King Patrick on the outside, and Sambat by the rail. It's still King Patrick and Sambat. And finally at the payoff line, King Patrick, Sambat, Euromax, Enchanted Lady. So it's you, Forever Young, Vermont Final Countdown. Ayan na ako.